Hi guys, in this series of Lockdown Easy Dessert, I am coming up with banoffee pie, which is my children's most favorite dessert, and it's a very easy recipe. I will start by making the biscuit base. So I have taken a packet of biscuit which I will be crushing in a Ziploc pouch. These are digestive biscuits. I will be crushing them. Use a bag like this. You have to crush them evenly. I will put them in a bowl. These are approximately 12 biscuits. I will be heating 100 grams of butter. So this is the melted butter. This is 100 grams of butter which I will be melting and putting in the biscuit base. So this is 100 grams of butter which I will be putting in the pie bake. You have to make it moist so that the base sets properly. That depends how much you are wanting to put in your base. So I will be putting this biscuit base in a bowl. Let it set for some time in the fridge till the time the butter hardens. In goes the fridge. So I will be making a caramel now so that our pudding becomes gooey. So this is 200 grams of sugar. It will take 7 to 8 minutes to caramelize. Now you see the sugar has melted and the color is changing. Little by little, know to handle the sugar when it caramelizes. It's very important to learn to melt the sugar. So this is not chashni, this is a caramel. Now the sugar has melted. I'll put in some cream. Let's say 100 grams of cream. And this is keep on scraping the sides. Once it starts thickening, you have to take care that the lumps don't form. There are two ways of going about making the caramel. Either take a Milkmaid and put it directly into boiling water for 2 hours, or make like this. I will add some part of you call it toffee pudding also. So this is an integral part to banoffee pie. Let it thicken a bit. This is how your caramel would look like after 8-10 minutes. You have to be very pro at making caramel, otherwise you will end up burning it. So my second layer is ready, and the third would be a banana and a cream. My third layer would be a banana and a cream. Pie crust is ready. I'll be putting some banana on top. Banoffee pie is a banana dish. It's a very popular dish. Basically, it is layer upon layer of all the goodness of sweet, banana, caramel. People put custard also on top. And the main ingredient being the cream. So in goes the caramel. In goes the caramel. Good enough for 4 people. So this is the cream that I beat earlier with some sugar, and this is the regular Amul cream. You can take a non-dairy one also, then you don't need to add any sugar to it. Now I will fill See how the caramel is oozing out. Now comes the garnishing part. That would be lots and lots of chocolate shaving. Now I will again set it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours so it sets completely.